So Helen, how did you guys do?
I came in first.
Really? Even with your extra mile?
Extra mile.
Even adding 3 minutes onto my time, I came in first.
You don't do a mile in 3 minutes.
Yes, I did. I averaged 20 miles per hour.
Wow, on your bike.
Yes.
Woohoo!
Between
And
20
Helen,
21.
how did you do?
I did very well.
Where did you come in?
I did 4th.
Woohoo! Awesome, awesome, awesome!
No, that over there.
Andy, great! You're doing great! Awesome! Keep going! Oh, then don't. Don't. No. If your shin splints hurt, no, you don't want to go.
24. So
Okay, so Nate's time was what? Hour 24?
hour 24.
Woohoo! So where did that put you in place?
Hey,
Coming in.
That was 2 minutes ahead of Heather.
2 minutes ahead of Heather?
If I remember right. I think Heather was a minute or an hour 26.
Good job, you guys. Look how well you did.
Or something. I didn't hear what Helen's time was. She was probably about an hour 30, I think.
Awesome. So Michael's going to run with her. Awesome! Yay, Michael! He's running with Sherry. Awesome. Oh, where did they go? Oh, let's see if we can get him coming in. Why is this not focusing? There we go. There's Michael and Sherry. Michael's encouraging her on, supporting her. Awesome. Yay! Good job! Woohoo! Good job! You're doing great! Woo! Woohoo! Good job! Good job, Sherry! Woo! Good job! Good job! Good job! Good job! Awesome!
I'm gonna go in the boat, Mom.
Yay!
Jake, take off your tennis shoes. Sherry, you just did it.
Probably would have gotten dead last.
Well,
You would probably.
you did very hard, but I finished. You did it. You did it. At least you just blocked them. Well, we got to because they're like really.
It's not worth having an injury forever.
That's what I told her. It's not worth it.
I mean, only if we were like triathletes.
Sherry needs to go potty before she wets herself quickly over there.
Well, it's not that I really need to go for the impact.
Oh, okay. Don't jump anymore.
Hopefully that wasn't being filmed. He's like, you could just jump in the lake. You could trip in the lake. That's right.
Trip in the lake, splash on yourself.
I'm like, but then the whole oh, I don't know, but I'm sure it was over 2 hours.
It doesn't matter. Sherry, the point is you did it.
When you're behind somebody, like,
You gotta come in here and go pee so you're ready to swim.
Is that an oil leak?
Good job, Sherry.
Transmission.
Good. You did.
I don't want to do this.
Nathan beat her. Do you want to hear what I did? I did next
You don't know, Dom. How did you do that? There's like 2 signs.
Because I was down the arrow position, so I was looking for something. I can only see 2 feet off the ground.
Oh my gosh. When did you look at your realize you were in the...
With a time of 1 hour, 26 minutes, and 2 seconds.
Yay! Woo!
Take a picture, man. Take a picture of her. Okay, so second place was Sherry Scott. Time of 1 hour, 26 minutes, and 14 seconds. And then third place went to Janine Grohl with a time of 1 hour, 28 minutes, and 31 seconds. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, got it for her. First time ever, cash award.
How much, Heather? 200?
Almost 200, almost. Team Bauer, or Brower. Was it Bauer or Brower? With a time of 1 hour, 24 minutes, and 2 seconds. Goes to Nathan and Becca. Come on up. And sorry, we don't have enough Gatorade, but you do get a cash award. Come on up, come on up.
Whoa!
Another, that goes to your sister.
Team
All right, thank you all for coming and participating. If you have a child that is running, let's get that going now.
How much money did you get?
First in your
First in pairs. Good job! Woohoo!